Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in this video, I will show you on how to change your screensaver on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and go to the Home tab right here on my Smart TV. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Continue to scroll until you get to Settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, switch to screensaver, click on OK. Then right here, you can press down to change screensaver. So come down below right here, then you have different options. You can choose screensaver from Google Photo, Art Gallery, Custom AI Art. This allows Google to give you different types of custom AI art. So if you want to choose to a Art Gallery, click on OK and updating the preferences. So which simply means that you are getting different Art Gallery as your screensaver right here. So if you want to change from Google Photo, go ahead and hit on your Google Photo. But right here, you'll be asked to verify your Google account by just entering your Google account password. So if you are using Google Photo right here, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. All you have to do right here is to go ahead and enter your Google account password. Once you enter your Google account password, then your Google Photo will be connected. And from there, you can start using it as your screensaver right here. However, if you are not satisfied with the one you have right here, go ahead and come back right here and go to settings. Then from settings right here, you can choose different options like custom art and at the same time Google Photo or so. So Google Photo slider from your memory, etc. Then you can start getting different type of screensaver from your Google Photo slide memory right here. So come down below right here. You can also decide to hide whether you want to have. So right here under the more settings right here, you can decide not to show weather for your area. You can decide not to show time for your area. If you want to show, don't want to show time, just switch to come right here and make sure you hide, and time zone is going to hide. If you want to personalize photo data, you can also decide to hide it. You can decide to hide as many as possible stuff right here. You want to personalize photo duration automatically. You can also choose some live album only. You can do a lot of things as far as screensaver options right here is concerned on your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial, cool setting about your Smart TV like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.